Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, grade 10 students. Welcome to another episode of Teaching on Air. Hope that everyone is healthy in your home today. I am Mrs. Cordillera Central, your science teacher for this episode. And for today's lesson, you will learn about the plate tectonics based on the distribution of the active volcanoes, earthquake epicenters, and mountain ranges in our planet. I am thrilled to share these concepts with you today.
For our first challenge, you will need pen and piece of paper. Now that you have prepared your materials needed, allow me to share the rules of the challenge. I will give you 3 hints which can be a word or a phrase. There will be 5 levels that you need to pass in this challenge. For every level, I will show you the mystery word with some missing letters. You will need to write the correct word in the piece of paper. For every correct answer, you will get a star. By the way, you only have 5 seconds to write the correct word. Are you ready? Let's play What's the Mystery Word? Level 1. Here are the hints. Above the focus, earthquake, location. What is the mystery word? Yes, you are correct. The correct word is epicenter. Epicenter is the part of the Earth's surface directly above the focus of an earthquake. Level 2. Here are the hints. Steep slopes, larger than hills, landform. What is the mystery word? Awesome! The correct word is mountain. A mountain is an elevated portion of the Earth's crust, generally with steep sides that show significant exposed bedrock. A mountain is larger than a hill, typically rising at least 300 meters above the surrounding land. Level 3. Here are the hints. Instrument, detect and measure intensity, record earthquakes. What is the mystery word? Incredible! The correct answer is seismograph. A seismograph is an apparatus to measure and record vibrations and motion of the ground during an earthquake. Level 4. Here are the hints. Damage, movement within the Earth's crust, violent shaking. What is the mystery word? Amazing! The mystery word is earthquake. Earthquake is a term used to describe a sudden slip on a fault, resulting to ground shaking and radiated seismic energy by volcanic or magmatic activity. Level 5. Here are the hints. Opening in the Earth's crust, molten rock, active or dormant. What is the mystery word? Great! The mystery word is volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Liquid magma containing dissolved gases rises through cracks in the Earth's crust.
Congratulations! You've gathered 5 stars for this challenge. I am happy to know that you can still recall some important scientific terms that you have learned from your previous lessons. I want you to remember these terms because we are going to encounter these terms as our lesson goes by.
Did you know that the ground we stand on is always moving? Below the crust on which we live is the Earth's mantle, the 100 kilometers thick layer of solid rock including the crust is called the lithosphere. The upper mantle that lies beneath the lithosphere is called the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is also solid, but the rock here is softer due to the high pressure and high temperatures. In some ways, the consistency of the asthenosphere can be compared to that of a butter. Even though it is solid, it can be pressed and molded. Differences in temperatures between the inner and the outer parts of the asthenosphere allow convection to occur. Convection in the asthenosphere forms the foundation of plate tectonics. According to the plate tectonics theory, the entire lithosphere of the Earth is broken into numerous segments called the plates. Does it look like a broken boiled egg? And now, please refer to your self-learning module. Take a look on picture on page 20. What does the figure show? The figure shows the moving plates of the Earth. Can you see the arrows? What does the arrow imply? The arrows show direction of the plate movement and other lines are the fault lines. Now, let's zoom out a little. The Earth has small and large plates. There are 7 relatively large plates and several smaller ones including the Philippine plate. Can you recall the 7 large plates? These include African, Antarctic, Eurasian, North American, South American, India-Australian, and Pacific plates. That is amazing! I am happy to know that you can still recall the 7 large plates. Whether large or small these plates are, they relate to natural phenomenon or geologic activities, such as volcanisms, earthquakes, and mountain formations. To better understand this, let us have this activity. I am going to share 3 maps which you need to observe carefully. Draw your attention to this map. What does this map show? Yes, this map shows the earthquake distribution around the world. The red areas of the map are the earthquake epicenters. Take note of the areas where they are closely situated. Based on the map, how earthquakes distributed. The world's earthquakes are not randomly distributed over the Earth's surface. They tend to be concentrated in narrow zones. And where are they situated? Some are located near the edges of the continents. Some are in the mid-continents while others are in the ocean. Now, let's have the second map. What does this map shows? This map shows the Earth's major volcanoes, but the red triangles are the active volcanoes. And how are volcanoes distributed? Volcanoes too are not randomly distributed. Majority of them are found along the edges of some continents. Where are they situated? Majority found along the edges of some continents, particularly in the western coast of North and South America, East and Southeast Asia. Then finally, take a look in this third map. What does this map shows? Our third map shows the distribution over the Earth mountain ranges. Take note that the coarse and darker areas in the map are the mountain ranges of the world. The Himalayas are the great mountain system of Asia. This includes the highest mountains in the world, with more than 110 peaks, rising to elevations of 24,000 feet or more above sea level. One of those is the Mount Everest, which is the highest with an elevation of 29,035 feet. The Cordillera Central, more commonly known as the Cordilleras, is a gigantic array of mountains dominating the whole western of northern Luzon. It is the largest of all the mountain ranges in the Philippines, constituting around 1/6 of the entire land area of the Luzon. From north to south, the entire Cordillera Central spans 220 kilometers long and encompasses all the provinces of the Cordillera Administrative Region. Another notable mountain range is the Sierra Madre, also known as the backbone of the Luzon. Did you know that Sierra Madre is the longest mountain range in the Philippines? It covers the northeast coast of Luzon Island against typhoons coming from the Pacific Ocean. The range also forms numerous watersheds that serves the adjacent agricultural lands in Central Zone and Cagayan Valley. Always remember to take note of the important details in a piece of paper. By taking notes, you can easily remember what you learned in this activity. You observe in the activity that earthquake epicenters, volcanoes, and mountain ranges are close to each other, if not situated in the same locations. It means to say that where there are earthquakes cross, meet, or move apart, they form mountains and volcanoes. Plate movements may result in an earthquake, and earthquakes may happen anytime, either on land or underwater. Earthquakes on land can be caused either by tectonic plate movement or volcanic eruptions. Earthquakes under the sea can cause tsunami. According to experts, it is estimated that there are 500,000 detectable earthquakes in the world each year. 100,000 of those can be felt and 100 of them can cause damage. Our country, the Philippines, is situated in a place where plate tectonics are very evident. That is the end of our lesson for this topic. See you again for another episode of Teaching on Air. Bye-bye!
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.